Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's topic, what we are going to see, I'm going to introduce you about the aggregate functions. Aggregate functions. Okay, I am going to introduce about aggregate functions uh, in SQL for group by. Okay, at that day we knew about the concept of group by. Now we will see how to implement group by. Okay, what was group by? Group by is nothing but, let me repeat what is group by. Group by is nothing but collecting something. Okay, collecting something. Okay, means collection of records. Group by is something you are arranging something in some collections. Suppose you have company, you are working in a company. Okay, so you might have some person like employee who employee name and department and salary. Okay, so suppose I say I have employee A who is working in IT department and his salary is 1000. Okay, and the employee B, she is working in HR department and her salary is 2000 rupees. Okay, employee C is again working in IT department and his salary is 5000 rupees. Again in D, the salary is the employee is working in HR department and his salary is 3000 rupees. Employee E, again he is working in IT department and his salary is 4000 rupees. Okay, so you are seeing there are only two departments here in this company. Only two departments. How many departments are there? Only two departments. Number of department, can you see? Only IT and HR are there. Can you observe it? Can you observe it? Only IT and HR are there. So number of department are two, which is one is IT and next is HR. Okay, so this is collection. This is this is a collection. You are collecting something. If you have to say collect all employee in IT department. So how will you collect? How will you collect? A, C, and E. Can you see that? IT employee has IT has three employees. IT department has three employees. Which employees is there? A, C, and E. And HR has only two employees. B and D. Okay. So this is called collections. That in IT you have collected all the employee information regarding with IT. Okay. Information regarding IT. You have collected all the information. And in HR, the employee who belongs to HR, you have collected all the information. So you have, this is grouping is nothing but collections. Okay, you are grouping something, you are collecting something, you are binding something into some group. Okay, and that is called group by. But group by has no meaning if you are not performing any operation. Can you imagine if I say these three employees belong to IT? Okay, A, C, and E belong to IT. That has no meaning, right? That has no meaning. What you are doing here? You have the information, but you are not extracting any meaningful information, right? So I would like to know what is the total collection of IT department. Suppose I am company owner. Suppose I am company owner. So I would want to know which in which department my my expenditure is going on most. Suppose I am spending, I am giving employees salary in IT department more than HR. So how will you collect? Okay, so you will, what you will do, you will sum all the salary of IT employees. You will sum all the salary of, suppose I am the owner of the company, and they say, hey, go and bring me the detail, how much I am paying to IT employees, all the IT employees, how much collectively. Okay, so what will you do? You will go to IT department, you will go to IT department, and you will simply ask the salary for, what is the salary of A. Here, what is the salary of A is 1000 rupees. What is the salary of C is 5000 rupees. What is the salary of E is 4000. Okay, so 5000, 4000, 9000, and 1000 is 10,000. So I, as an owner, I am spending 10,000 per month, 10,000 per month in IT department only. Similarly, how much I am spending in HR department? It's 2000 plus 3000, 5000 rupees monthly. Okay, by this way we can segregate how much I'm spending in IT and how much I am spending in HR. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? If you're not getting this, please let me know.
Sir, not getting, sir. You
Okay,
ask the question once again. Repeat the question.
okay. So owner. I am the owner of the company. Suppose it is my company. Suppose I am running XYZ company. Okay, and in XYZ company we have 5 employees. Okay, A B C D E, these 5 employees work in different departments. Okay, and department, first employee works in IT department, second employee works in HR department, third again in IT, HR and IT respectively. Okay, now I have given the salary of each employee likewise. Okay, okay, so now I want to know, as an owner, company owner, I am calculating my revenue. Okay, I want to calculate my revenue. What is my motive? To calculate my revenue, if I am getting profit or not. For this I would like to know how much I am spending, how much amount I am spending in each department, so that I can maximize or minimize my spending on each department, or I can, according to that, I can give bonus to my employees. Okay, so I would want to like to know that how much I am providing amount money to employees in IT department, and how much money I am providing in HR department. Did you get this point? It's a
Yes,
simple
sir.
explanation why I'm not getting it. So as I am owner of the company, I would like to know how much I am spending in IT department, and how much I am giving money to employee in HR department. Are you getting till this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will I do? I will collect the salary of each employee who works in IT department, and I will collect the salary of each employee in HR department. Did you get this? Did you get this? What will I do? I will collect the salary of each employee in IT department. So can you say which which are employees, how much amount I would like to add here? I will add 1000 rupees, which is of A. It is department IT. Okay, department is, let me put it in red so that you can understand it. IT department is this one, and this one. Please pay attention very very carefully, because this is very very a crucial concept. And if you're not paying attention, I am really sorry if you are not going to get it. because group by is the basics of data engineering or data analysis or ETL process or any other process, not only data engineering or any other SQL process. It is a basic, very basic function and crucial function. Okay, so you need to pay a wide variety of attention here. Okay, so in this department, suppose here IT department is, first IT department salary is 1000, second is 5000, employees has salary of 5000, third has 4000. So what you will do, you will simply add this. It's a simple math logic. Okay, and similarly you will do it in HR. 2000 plus 3000, this is the step 1. Okay, step 2 will be, you will add this. What you will get, 10,000 1000 plus 5000 plus 4000 equal to 10,000. Okay, and here what you will get, 5000. So what you will get, you will get IT expenditure. You are spending IT on IT 10,000 and you are spending on HR department 5,000 per month. Now you get it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what did you do here? Okay, let me tell you what did you do here. You have done a simple aggregation. Okay, simple aggregation. What is the aggregation formula? Is plus. Okay, is plus means is sum. You will say it's a sum aggregation. Okay, okay. Now if you want to, if I say how many employees are working in IT department, so what will you do? You will simply count. Okay, so IT has 3 I will do it practical, then you will get more clarity. And HR has 2. Okay, so it's a count aggregation, right? There is no meaning of group by without an aggregation function. You must use an aggregate function for a group by. As simple as that. There is no group by without aggregate functions. Just remember that. You will use an aggregate function when you are using a group by. Okay, so we have aggregate function like sum, count, min, max. Basically these are statistical function. Okay, these are statistical function. I must write it. First is, there is aggregate functions are backbone of group by. Okay, backbone of group by. First point. Second point is, um, aggregate functions are a statistical function. Okay, they give you a statistics. Okay, statistical functions. Okay, Mm, key aggregate functions are, key aggregate functions are I will tell you what are key aggregate functions. It is sum, min, max, uh, max. Uh, you tell me. Sum, min, max, count, and many more, average. Okay, and many more. You can see mean, mode. Many are aggregate function are there. Any statistical function which belongs to, which belongs to MySQL is can be used in the aggregate functions. Okay, so now let's get back to our practical so that you will get more clarity. So I'm using this graph only. First, let me tell you that at that day, I in the previous class I was explaining you about white color ball. Let me start you from count aggregate. Okay, that also is some aggregate, but let me get you through this. So let me, you have, I have seen you have given me the command. So let me, why have you used IPL? Okay, you have used IPL. Okay, no issues. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, so looks good, looks good. Okay, I think it looks good. Now select star from select star from IPL dot ball tab, ball tab, and you will see that there are 10, that there are groups: white, 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 red, 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 okay, red, purple, purple, purple. Okay, so now what will I do? Why have you, okay, so you must not have done this like 2 2 2 2. Okay, so it's all one should be, but let me ignore this count column. I want to count how many whites are there, how many red are there, how many purple are there. Okay, so I will simply do that. Select count color, means I'm counting the color, right? I'm counting the color from IPL ball tab. Just group by what? I am grouping it by color only. Okay, I am grouping it by color only. Okay, grouping it by color only. Okay, and you can see 354, but it has no meaning. It has no meaning. Okay, I don't, I can't see which color belongs to which one, which count belongs to which color. Okay, so I will place the column name as well, and now I will try to run it. And you can see purple has 3 count, red has 5 count, white has 4 count. Can you see it? Can you see it in it? White has, let's verify. White has 4 count. White, 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 white. 4 count only. Okay. Now purple has 3 count. So let's count it. Purple, purple, purple. 3 count. Now red has 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see the record has been validated. Okay. So this is the thing what I was willing to convey you. Okay. Now let me get back to your to did you get this, by the way, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I'm just counting the color based on color. What you will get, what you will get, the question will be count the ball by color. You will get the question like this: count the ball, count each ball, count the balls by color. This is the question. How you are, this means that please count the balls by grouping it into color. Okay, please count the balls, right, by grouping it in color. I know this is the first time, you are not, you might have not got it, but this is how it works. Okay, you have to do practice on this. Okay, because group buy is a heavy concept. When you are doing practical on group buy, it is a heavy concept. I must accept it. Okay, but when you do practice, okay, practice and more practice and more practice, group buy makes easy concept. Group buy is then become easy concept. Okay, so without wasting time, let us let us let me grab you to that this example, and then we can close the class. Okay, so we have company, employee name, department, salary. Okay, just I want to create this table. Create table, employee, uh, uh, medical customer. What was our table name? Medical shop dot temp 8. No, but employee, medical shop. Okay, now what I have, imp name, it is a varchar of suppose 10 characters. Now we have DPT, department, which is of varchar, and it is of 5 characters. And I'm looking at salary, it is of integer type. Okay, now let me insert into medical shop, medical shop dot emp. Okay, I want this record only. I want this record only to be inserted. A, B, C, D, E. So let me insert first 3 record, and then it will be easy for us to maintain all the records. Okay. So A, the first employee name is A. Okay. Oh my God. A, and he works in IT department, and his salary is 1000. Okay. Now what will I do? I will do like this. Okay, let me you can see how easy I will do. Five, only 5 rows are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, IT, HR, IT, HR, 1000, 1000, 2000, 5000, 2000, 5000, uh, 3000 and 4000. 3000 and 4000. Okay, so this is my whole table. Okay, so let me create this, and we will get back to our problem statement. So first let me create this. So now I'm going to select all, and I'm going to run it, and voila, our record has been created now. So let me select star from medical shop.employee, and now I will run it, and you can see the same record has been created. Okay, now let me get back to our question. What were our question? First question was, I want to calculate my revenue. What is my question? I, as an owner want to calculate my revenue as an company owner. As a company owner, myself as a company owner, myself as a company owner want to calculate my revenue for the for each department. But this is my sorry, expenditure. I want to calculate my spending on salary of each employee for each department. Means I want to calculate how much amount am I spending for each department. Okay, basically for each department. So what will I do? I will prepare. This is my question actually. So now how will I prepare my query? I will I will prepare my query. So what is my motive? My motive is doing step 1 as collecting each department and submit. Okay, and second is I display like IT 10,000, HR 5,000. This should be my display. Okay, okay. Are you getting this? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Please reply at least because
Yes,
I'm
sir. Yes, sir. I'm
okay.
getting.
Okay. So what will I do? I will apply an aggregate function. Okay. Sum of what do I need to sum? You say. What do I need to sum here? I will apply an aggregate function. Sum.
Salary. Salary.
Sum. What do I need to sum here?
Salary, sir.
Very good. Salary. Okay. Salary. I want to sum the salary. And on which grouping I want to say. What do we need to group? So you need
Salary only.
you need to see here problem statement is you need to calculate your spending or salary of each employee. So you need to rearrange your question. So rearrange the question. Rearrange the question. So this is a long statement, right? This is a long statement. You need to understand this, right? This is a waste. Okay, this is waste. You just need focus on this one. Spending on salary of employee for each department. Okay, so you need to you need to find sum of salary for each department. Okay, sum of salary. This is your question. Okay, so don't write for just use by. Now I hope you got it. You have to sum the salary by each department. Now the sum the salary. This is your functioning part. Okay, you will apply an aggregate function on it. So now what will you do? How will you proceed? You will proceed sum of salary. Now this is again two parts. Okay, first part is first part is first part is sum the salary, sum of salary. Okay, and second part is by each department.
Department.
Okay, so what will you do? Sum the salary. For sum the salary, you will apply an aggregate function like sum function. Okay, and for by each department, you will apply group by. Okay, so simple, and you are done with your query. Okay, and you are done with your query. Okay, but again, you will can you see you are not getting on which department you are on for which department each count each sum is. Okay, so for this you need to print the department as well. Okay, and just apply as spending. I'm i am giving an alias on it, and now you can see HR is 5,000, IT is 10,000, and that was my expected output was. Can you see it? This was my expected output. Okay, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, So this is the thing. So by this, I would I would come to end of this lecture. Concept of aggregate functions. One more thing is there: sum, min, max, count, average, mean. One more lecture I would like to take it on aggregate functions by explaining each one of them. Currently I have explained sum. Okay, okay, only sum. I will explain each one of them one by one. Okay, so in the next lecture. Okay, so one more lecture would be there from aggregate function, and then we will proceed for having clause in group by, and then multiple group by multiple columns. All right. So what is your task? Your task is, and the viewers who are watching this video, please do create this table, and try to do. The task is only a single task I will give you, to all who are watching, and Chatra, you too. Just I want to I uh, want to uh, count all employees all employees uh, count all I want to count all employees, um, per department. Per department. Okay, per department. So this is a simple task. You will just go by this method, and try to solve it. Okay, this is a simple task you need to perform. Okay. Okay, the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.